Hi, Rory. You want some lettuce? Are you a bunny rabbit or a Yorkie? Lane, you don't even like lettuce that much. Take some, Lane, if you want it, baby. There you go, Lane. You gonna eat it just to spite Rory? Yeah, you never like it, Lane. You shake your head. That's funny. Little Yorkie rabbit. Good girl. Rory, was that yummy? Lane, I don't think you really ate yours. All gone?